Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Remote Desktop on the host. Open Settings, go to System, then Remote Desktop, and flip it on. Once done, note the PC name exactly and make sure the user account has a secure password. Remote Desktop won't accept blank passwords. Also enable network-level authentication so connections are secured before a session starts, and allow Remote Desktop in Windows Firewall for the private profile, which prevents accidental blocking when you try to connect. Next, configure access and the network so you can reliably reach the host. Add the intended user to Remote Desktop users, because administrative accounts may be restricted by policy. Then assign a static local IP or reserve a DHCP lease so port forwarding or DNS always target the same machine. If you must connect over the internet, forward TCP port 3389 to that IP on your router. Otherwise, use a VPN to avoid exposing RD. Finally, on the client, open Remote Desktop connection, enter the host name or public IP, and supply credentials using hostname/username or your Microsoft account email, then connect. If you used port forwarding, append 3389 to the IP if needed. Once connected, adjust display and resource settings for performance. If it fails, troubleshoot by pinging the host, testing port reachability with a port checker, verifying firewall rules and user permissions, and confirming the host is not asleep or on metered network settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.